Yo, we still in the D. Now check out what $5,000 gets you. Living room here, okay, and to me, I mean, for me on the outside looking in, I'm gonna go in this house, I gotta do everything. Everything's gotta get done. You're a licensed GC, so, you know, of course your number's gonna be different. I think if I had to guess, I'm gonna put 60, 70,000 in this 800 square foot house for my numbers. Of course your numbers are gonna be lower, but yeah, this house needs everything. So yeah, I'm getting a house at a cheap price, but I better know about the work, which is the most important. Because I was advised when you buy houses from the land bank, you have to bring them up to code to resell them for clean title. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
So it's a possibility though that you get something from the land bank, you're not following the rules, now you stuck with it, and $5,000 can turn into a black hole when you keep throwing money at it.
Yes, sir.
All right, so cool. I just wanted to highlight that because for years people, you know, think they could just run Detroit.
We're seeing that right now. A lot of people, I get a lot of calls from a lot of people that got played or got, you know, ran over, like you said, or think they getting played because they just looking at pictures. So, like you said, once you come in here, you can actually understand like everything got to be redid. That's why they selling them so cheap. If anything's too good to be true, yeah, that's how it is. But for like you said, people that want to buy and hold, beautiful opportunity because we understand the game. We know we got to invest money. We know it take money to make money. So
Yeah.
people like that, Detroit is a beautiful market for them. So, but understanding that knowledge of me coming to this $1,000 house or $5,000 house, I know I'm going to have to put 50, 60, 70,000. I got some houses on east side that we put 80,000 into. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, yeah, you bought it for a band, but it's definitely an $80,000 house.
Yeah. Yeah, absolutely. That's what I discovered last time I was in Detroit for the first time in December, where Kennan was putting me on, like in Asia. Okay, yeah, you get the houses for cheap, but to get them done right, yeah, you're gonna have to spend some money, and that'd be the pitfall for a lot of people.
And that's why you gotta be willing to talk to somebody, an expert. So if you're coming from out of town, talk to the person that's here. You know, so now you know. If you get in a land bank house, what do I need to do? How do I bring it up to code? What's some of the things I should do? Because we always tell people too, you need to snake out the drain. Because a lot of times that's a whole nother issue right there. Because now if that's broke, now you're talking about $10,000 just off that alone. So like that black hole you're talking about, you get into the house, you get it for cheap, even you got it for $1,000, and now you got that issue. So now you're already $10,000 in a hole.
Now you gotta put a roof on, so you're another 5 to 10 bands, and you're gonna do all your electrical. Ain't nobody doing electrical to do 10 bands. So
Oh, nah, you're not getting a whole house. Yeah.
So like, we just told you 40,000 before we even designed or bought any material for the interior. So it's like, that's to get real like that. You see all these houses having no siding, so I gotta go do siding.
Yeah.
So just to even get it get it up to code, you're spending a lot of money. You know.
Absolutely.
And that's why we are here. So we got people like Ken, you got people like AJ, you got people like me. Like we already been through the process. We basically built the form of how to do. So like, yeah, if you come into Detroit, like get with Detroit. Don't come here trying to spend your money. Don't come here trying to feel like y'all really. It's safer that way. It feels
A lot safer.
It's a lot safer to come here, do your research, get with people that's licensed, get people that's certified, people that can take you around to their property and show you what they actually did. Now you're getting a real look into what a land bank house is and how much it will cost to spend.
And I say people that care. You know what I'm saying? Because
Basically,
we know,
people that care.
we know how certain people
It's
they let
just
you
money,
come in
yeah.
and like say come get your money. So now you getting screwed over because they don't care. They're like, yeah, all they see is dollar signs.
That's it.
But now you got people that care, that want to see the community come back, that's willing to help and want to help. So make sure you do that too. So make sure you vetting as well whoever you deal with. Because when I'm coming to Charlotte, I'm coming straight to you.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I want you to highlight that because people don't understand that, and I'm from the street, so I understand. Like when I go to different cities, I got to check in. You know what I'm saying? So I'm checking in with anybody that's dealing with what I'm doing when I come there.
Yeah.
Basically, in real estate, same thing. You come check in, come see our people. A lot of us be on the internet. We got websites. Like you can Google a lot of us. Like when you Google contract, I'm gonna pop up. So it's like y'all can do that. Do your research. Don't just come trying to get money or really try to get over. I don't even like a lot of time investors. You know what I'm saying? Like I understand it's a money thing, but if y'all get on the same page, like we care. I have a purpose. You know what I'm saying? I'm driven by something I'm doing. Like find us, come get with us. Let's talk. Let's sit down. Let's build. You know what I mean?
Yeah, absolutely. Because as real estate, y'all been through this before, like you said, so y'all know. But in real estate, I don't care where you at. you want to do it right the first time, because when you don't, bro, it come back to bite you, and them bills be big. So I've been there before. So yeah. So what we got right here is a living room and
living room. So we might open. I'm thinking to open this whole wall up, but I gotta figure out a design for me because it's connected to this kitchen. So that's my formula when I come in. It's like obviously get the roofs did, you know, make sure ain't no water coming in them. But I go to the kitchens and bathrooms first, knock them out, and rewire those new plumbing. So this is a little further than the house I took y'all to, so y'all can see all the new wiring already. We got all plumbing ran. I already got my HVAC did in here, my water lines, the basement already ran everything. Got all the lights up top. So really, this house really ready to be closed up. Once we insulate the walls, then they come close this one up. New windows already through here. New doors through here already.
now is this still? Does code allow you to have bars on the windows?
Security, yes, we gonna keep bars on them.
Oh, you gonna keep bars on?
Yeah,
Okay,
but
all right.
I take them off once we gotta get done.
Once you get done, okay, yeah, take them out. Okay,
we
all
open
right,
them
all
up.
right.
Yeah, but like for security, like you said, they gotta have an exit window in each room. So yeah, we wouldn't bar them up, but yeah, for security purpose, we gonna leave 'em. I actually bought the house like that. So.
Yeah, I figured you bought it like that.
But
Yeah.
he right about that because bars, in case of a fire or emergency exit,
Yeah.
you can't get out the window.
Right.
They did change that up.
All right, cool. So, all right, this is one bedroom.
Yeah, what's the kitchen?
It's the kitchen. Okay, my bad. It's the kitchen right here.
This is your kitchen.
It's gonna be the kitchen. Ooh, it's dark in there.
Dark, yeah.
Yeah, so, but that's the bedroom
This
now.
is the bedroom. And this is the bedroom, so our 2 bedrooms.
All right, so 2 bedrooms, but with the basement, you're gonna get.
We can open it up. So their basement's already like designed and laid out, but I bought it for extra room down there. So we definitely gonna turn that back into a livable space. Actually got a bathroom down there. So this have 2 bathrooms in it, 2 bedrooms with livable areas downstairs. We would try to turn this one to at least 3 bedrooms, living area downstairs, living room up here, 2 bathrooms.
You bought it for 5,000. You budgeting 40 to 50 to get this right. You gonna how much this one's gonna rent for?
This one would be one of those I said about 750, 800.
Yeah, you really looking out.
Yeah, mad love. It's gonna come back, mad love. But it's
Cause I know you can easily get 1,000 for a
yeah,
bedroom.
I said my man getting 14, 15 for his. But it's like, see, I'm deeply rooted into this neighborhood, and like I said, I can make my money elsewhere on different plays, different property. It's like to actually see this neighborhood come back is my goal. So I can't give a single mother or a struggling family, tell them they gotta come pay $1,200 for a house that I know been vacant for 15 years. You see what I'm saying? Like this house literally making no money in the last 15 years. So it's like, yo, get it up there. By me doing all the work. That's really why I try to do all the work I can, so I can tell my partners like, yo, let's not up the rent, let's not up, you know, like that will come. So as long as we keep them in budgets and you know, we satisfied with our, you know, our progress, like yeah, we gonna keep rent cheap.
Do you manage your own properties?
My company do, yeah, we do.
You got a company that does that.
Yeah, bloodline, my brothers, my cousins, my nephews, my sisters, like we all out here.
So you keep it in the family for real?
Keep it in the family for real. My cousin right there, and my cameraman slash apprentice right now.
Okay.
Yeah,
I like that.
I got a 5-man crew of really my brother, nephew, cousins.
All right, so Yadee, you know, your story is you grew up in the orphanage, family to family. So you didn't really have a stable family, but now that you in position, you putting your family on.
Yeah, definitely. I was raised by my family. I ain't gonna act like I was just, you know, out doing bad, but it was from family. Like I was moved around, and it was like that actually did teach me the value of, you know, a real family that, you know, help out when you help out. So I just built my village, like, you know, blood or not blood, like, it's like, yo, we a family, we a community, so this is what we go do. And that played a part and role of everything I did, because, like, if I fall off, somebody can pick me up. If I'm doing wrong, somebody can show me the right way. If I'm trying to get into something, somebody can help and guide me, like, and that's what was important, that's what we missing. You know? And that's in black culture everywhere, I think we're missing that a lot, so.
I agree. I strongly agree.
So we base our whole motto off of that, for real, like, reach one, teach one, you know, always pull your brother up. That's what we really, be an impact, you know what I mean? Like, that's really what we doing out here.
Yeah, I'm seeing that. I'm seeing it like with my own eyes, man, that, you know, Ken told me last time I was here that it's not competition, it's collaboration. You know, collaborating with everybody else, using different resources and connecting. For so many years, man, had this conversation literally this week. My parents' generation, right? So the grandparents own property. All around the hood, grandparents own property. They was entrepreneurs because they had no choice. But the kids got jobs in apartments. And now we're realizing the most important thing is to pass down that information of, ownership, help out the family, etc. Like teach those lessons. Giving a handout, just giving money is not the answer. Like what you doing with your programs, you teaching skills. When them guys done with you, they can go out and make money now. They got a valuable skill, which is more important than just giving somebody $100, $200, or 1 month free rent. Just having that skill so that they can feed themselves the rest of their life. So that's what my man Yadee out here doing. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put all his social media on the screen. So make sure you follow him and all that, connect with him. Stash House all day. Make sure y'all click on the video next to me. Stay on the channel, and peace.